Saffron is a spice that is rich in antioxidants, which may have many health benefits. It may also act as a mood booster and increase libido. Saffron is generally safe for most people to consume, and it is very simple to add it to the diet. Black seeds are also known as Nigella sativa and have been used for medicinal purposes for centuries. They are rich in antioxidants and flavonoids, which help protect the body from harmful substances. Black seeds are also known to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, boost the immune system. Ingredients: saffron, black seeds,